Hey y'all.
Hey.
It's bright out here.
Yes, it is.
It's always bright out here.
It's very bright. It's sunny Florida. So we're getting ready to feed. And hey, y'all check this out. We got some rain finally. And our pastures were dry and crispy, but look at this. They are filling out with nice green, lush grass. So hopefully next week, we'll be moving the steers over there.
I'm gonna sneeze.
Are you about to sneeze again?
I lost my sneeze.
So anyway, very bright. We're gonna go feed.
Alright. The
Yep.
garden is coming along very nicely.
It is.
And we picked 2 zucchini that were actually almost too big to eat and 1 squash yesterday.
Yep.
And there's probably 2 or 3 squash out there today ready to pick. So
Yes, we're excited about this.
it's coming along nicely.
It really
finally.
is. Alright.
So Tango has already been milked this morning.
Yep.
But every time we usually milk and then come back out to feed everything. And every morning when we come back out, she jumps up on the stand like she's going to trick us into feeding her again.
That's what she
And
hopes.
the babies think that they can get up here now too.
Well, they
But look
can
how
get
big
up
they-
there.
well, I know.
Yeah.
But I mean, they think
Look at what a healthy,
Look at
beautiful little goat baby.
He's a nice looking little buckling.
He is.
Sure.
Very nice. All right. Well, let's feed these animals,
Drink my
babe.
coffee.
All
Here's
right.
egg.
Right out on the ground.
You can have it.
Okay.
They've been laying eggs under the coop.
Yeah, just broadcast that
I will.
first before they come out because
Well, don't run right past it.
they're going to run past it anyway.
Look at your buddy right here.
Hey.
Broadcasting the coop.
Hey, Philet. Look, he's ready. He thinks he's going to get some grain this morning.
The only reason they think about grain is because they steal the chickens' food.
Yep.
They're not supposed to be eating any grain.
Well, they know about the bucket because
yeah.
of alfalfa pellets and stuff.
Can you get that?
All right. Yep, I'll try. With an egg in my hand. Oh, here, baby. You hold. Let me put this in my pocket.
All right.
This is going to be a mistake, probably. I put the egg in my pocket.
It'll be a fun mistake for me.
Look, she's going to feed the chickens scattered out there. Chick, 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 chick. And the steers are upset because it's scattered around. Oh, they're getting some. Oops. That's not good. So our 99.99999% grass fed.
We have like.
Look at this rain frog that came out from behind the chicken door.
I'm glad that I
He's
didn't know.
crawling up. He's trying to go find him
Glad I
some
didn't
shade
open
so he
it.
doesn't dry out. I'll carry that.
I'm gonna try to catch this chicken and put it in.
Okay. You got it by the wing. Very good.
I want to touch the fence and get. There's a couple more over here, but
Yeah, we'll get them in a little bit.
yeah, I think they were fitting through the holes in the poultry netting, but I think that they've outgrown it, and so now they're stuck out rather than in.
Yeah.
So we'll have to check on that one chicken.
Yeah, I think we're probably going to have to call it.
Yeah, I think it's got a hurt
Unfortunately.
leg or something. Not sure.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. Meat bird feed.
Meat bird feed. All right, here we go. You're going to casually, nonchalantly walk up to this chicken and try to catch it. Very good. I hope I got that on
I
video
hope
because you are ridiculous watching you catch chickens.
so. You gotta live a little.
Yes. All right.
Nothing says living like
Catching
fat little chickens, right?
fat little meat birds.
We want it burning off too many calories.
No.
Running loose.
All
We're
right.
ready to butcher here in a couple weeks, so.
I'm trying to walk. We need to practice our walking so we're both on camera.
Like an Egyptian?
No, not like an Egyptian.
Okay.
Especially while I'm trying to video.
Yeah. There's another little fat meat bird.
There's 2 more little fat meat birds.
They're crazy. I'll have to like steer water.
Yep. We have an automatic waterer on this trough, but we unhooked it and we fill it every day because
We have to fill
it's
the
easier to fill the chicken waters with the water hose than dragging buckets of water back and forth,
5-gallon buckets at a time.
especially when the kids are feeding. They
Yeah.
left their bicycles out here
I'm sure. Yep. And the wagon.
and the wagon. It's okay. All right.
I caught several more chickens and put them in here. They were coming over here. There's still quite a few out, but we'll get the kids.
Project for the kids this evening.
Or tomorrow.
Or tomorrow, yep.
Depending on when we get home today. Hey, piggies. They're getting big.
Yes, they're growing awesome.
Yep. This one is starting to catch up with the other one too.
A little bit. It is catching up, yeah.
Look how broad she is across her shoulders there.
Yes. You're gonna make a lot of sausage. That's good.
Yes.
Side meat.
Pork chop,
Yum.
tenderloin.
Yeah, we were talking. We're gonna instead of trying to get a bunch of cuts out of these and doing a lot of roasts, we're gonna do bacon, pork chops, tenderloin, sausage.
That will
'Cause
serve
those-
us the
Yes.
longest.
It'll last us longer that way.
We do breakfast and Italian sausage, so
Yes, it'll be yummy.
we have
I'd like
videos.
to try to do some brats.
Yeah, we could try that too. We have videos on how we make breakfast sausage and Italian sausage with our recipes, so
Yeah, it's gonna
Y'all
be pretty
can-
sweet.
check those out. We'll put them in the description. All right, piggies.
There you are.
What's left?
Let's
Is
go
everything
round up
fed?
everybody else. Everybody's been fed.
We got to get out of here.
We're gonna go round up everyone else so we can get out of here.
All right.
All right.
Sounds like a good
Yep.
plan.
Love you, babe.
Love you.